I joined to Fitness Plus on 5th of January 2015. When I joined here, Dr. Suresh gave me one program, Dr. Suresh program. It was for 3 months. It really worked out for me. It was really good. I can feel the difference from my photos because I took photos before that and after that. I can feel the change. Not even me, my people also they are feeling that you have changed. Then and Dr. Suresh is very responsible for. He feels responsibility that to correct our movement when I'm doing wrong. He comes and maybe scold me, but he correct me. It's good. I like that. Then every 3 months it's changed. The program will change. This is also a positive point compared to other gym, other fitness clubs.